Hello everyone. Good morning. I Shachi Vaidarkar. Welcome you for the today's first session of warm-up exercise. So let's start.
First, we'll start with a standing warm-up exercise. Bring your both the legs together, hand beside the body. We'll start with a neck exercise. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now sideways, right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tilt your neck on the right side and then left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now move your neck clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last 5. Now stretch your both the hand in front of your body. Make a fist and open. Open, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll move our hand up and down, up and down, up and down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we'll do sideways stretching. Keep your both the legs steady on the ground and just twist your waist. Now next exercise. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Now sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now bend from your waist on the sideways. 1 and 2. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Now we'll do alternate toe touching. Bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep a distance between your both the legs. Now bend your knees and try to touch to your hand. Keep your both the hands steady at the chest level. Raise the legs. 1. Now we'll do sit-ups. Keep your both the hand at the shoulder level and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Now we'll do leg exercise. Lift your leg. First we'll do up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. 1, 2. Now next leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we'll do rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anti-clockwise. Now relax. Now we'll do jogging. First jog on your toes. We'll do slow jogging and slowly we'll increase our speed. Keep your mouth closed. Inhale from the nose only. Now little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now slow down. Don't stop suddenly. Slow down the jog. Slowly stop. Now we'll do jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now jog on your toes. Slow jogging. Now we'll do alternate leg raising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly bring your back beside your body. Keep a distance between your both the legs. Close your eyes and relax. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Here we complete some standing warm-up exercise. Now we'll do in supine position. First relax the whole body. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly come on your knees. Now sit in Vajrasana. Spread your leg one by one and relax in Shavasana. Keep hand beside your body. Keep distance between your both the legs. First we'll do alternate leg raising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now both will raise both the legs. 1, 2 and down. Lift and down. 1 and 2. Relax. Keep a distance between your both the legs. Now fold your both the knees. We'll do elbow and knee crunch. Keep both the hands on your head and do alternate touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now relax. Now bend your both the knees, and we'll keep our both the legs steady on the ground, and we'll lift our body. Keep your both the hands above your head, and inhale and lift. Exhale and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now relax. Relax in Shavasana. We'll do now some warm-up exercise in prone. Now come to the prone position. Lie down on your stomach. First sit in Vajrasana and slowly lie down. And relax in Makrasana. First we'll do Bhujangasana. We'll inhale and lift our body. We'll exhale and we'll come down. Bring your both the hands near your chest. Now inhale and raise body from the trunk and arc back. Exhale and down. Again inhale up. Exhale down. Your both the legs should be together, touching each other. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Next we are going to do Bhujangasana and Parvatasana. First come in Bhujangasana and go to the Parvatasana. Inhale Bhujangasana, exhale Parvatasana. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Now sit in Vajrasana. Take a support of your elbow. Stretch your both the legs at back and hold the position. Keep a normal breathing. Maintain. Now slowly come down and relax in Makrasana. Now slowly bring back your legs together. Come to the Vajrasana and relax.
So guys, here we conclude our today's first session of warm-up exercise. Before ending that, I will tell you that warm-up exercise is very important. Before doing any physical activity, it may be any sports or dance or any physical activity, it warms our body and even it prevents from injury. Thank you.